Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a single crochet. I'm using a 3-ply acrylic yarn and 2.5 mm hook for this project. We are going to start by making a slip knot. In case you're still having difficulty with making your slip knot, I have a perfect tutorial for that in my channel. I'll link it to this video and also drop the link in the description box so that you can go and watch it. After that, we'll make 10 chains. Okay, so if you're still having problem with your chains, I also have a perfect tutorial for that. So for this particular tutorial, I made a total of 10 chains. This is my 10 chains. This is what it looks like. Okay, then we are going to add one more chain to that, which doesn't count as the other chains. Then we're going to skip the first chain and go over to the second chain, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have two loops on our hook. We'll yarn over and pull through the two loops. Okay, so I think I should adjust the light a little bit so that it will be more visible. I think this is better. Okay, so go over into the second chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops. So that is simply how to make your single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through two loops. So you're gonna keep repeating these until you get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the row, and this is what my work looks like. And this is what the back side looks like. Okay, so to continue, we are going to chain one, then turn our work round. Okay, so in the first stitch, we are going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops. Go into this next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops. So this is how you're gonna continue until you get to the end of the row. It is super easy. I just wanted to do the second row so that you don't get like confused on how to continue. Okay. I'm here at the end of the row. I'll just make my last single crochet, which can be tricky sometimes. Okay, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops, and this is what it looks like. The back side, this is what it looks like. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. You can keep repeating the second row until you get your desired length or width, however you are working with. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't get missed out on any of my amazing tutorials. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.